Hi there, welcome to the Chainlink Wyckoff Weekly. So we're looking at the Chainlink weekly chart, and 2 weeks ago I've drawn this automatic rally tag over here, the orange one. So basically over the past week or so where I didn't have a session, this weekly candle in red kind of confirmed this point, at least for this moment. It's not definite yet until like a lake is finally being developed like this, because an automatic rally can take a pause and then go even higher before it comes down again. So that's why I said it's tentative, but it's a good reference point to see where the big picture is. And then in terms of the daily chart, so basically it's still trading pretty much between these two yellow lines. So this yellow line on the top, and also this at the bottom, I've drawn this for quite a while already, if I'm not mistaken, because it extends all the way to here. That's when I first introduced this line. I probably have said in those sessions that I always look at these by taking reference of what happened in the past when I set these resistance levels. Obviously it's a range, it's not like it won't go above. It's showing it did, however, just for a day or two, then it returns to below that line. Obviously you can push this by looking at these. Absolutely, you can push this a little bit more. However, it doesn't really matter much if you just give it a nudge to somewhere around here by referencing to the closer or the candles at the closer period, not too far ahead in terms of history. So then you can tell, okay, basically that's still within this range. And this trading range or playground zone has actually started since probably here, this rebound on March 11th. That basically this tip has defined the bottom. Obviously when there are crazy news like worldwide tariffs coming out, the market gone crazy, it can go lower. However, that basically define the top and or the bottom and the top in 8 days time, and then the price basically has been trading since then, since mid-March. So from the chart itself, it looks to me it's still between these two yellow lines. That's $12.34-ish cents. Remember, it's a range. And then like around 14.9 or 15. It can go like slightly up or below. However, if it really close above or below for like 3-4 days, that's probably saying something is being developed and a new trading range or playground zone is going to happen. So just like here, you see it dropped for 3 days, it closed below this line, and then there was like 90 days, 3 months of horizontal trading range. So from the defined definition of this bottom to the tip, that took roughly 20 days, and then another time it touches the bottom again, and then another tip, and then come down and another tip. So if you wait for this to develop, you could have traded 2 times if you're just doing buy or call, if you're doing put as well, then you probably have traded 4 times or even more. So that's basically